We're working in the ICS office today. We have some visitors here at the office. Mandy Fader, an ex-trustee and prominent nurse within the organisation, is here working with us on the Continence Product Advisor website project. And it's a good opportunity now, just before we're officially launching the project, to ask Mandy a little bit about the project and what the idea behind it was.
Well, we created the website because we realised that there really wasn't readily available to either people who use products or to healthcare professionals information about continence products. There's information around from companies and from industry, but nowhere could you see the broad, full range of products or have any information about how well they worked and who they worked best for, and the evidence behind which kinds of products worked best for what kind of circumstance. So we brought this all together on a website, which is broadly speaking divided into two parts. There's a sort of browsing area which shows all the different categories and types of different products that there are, and then there's another section called People, whereby you go in and say, I'm a woman, I've got urinary incontinence, and it's at a light level, and these are the kinds, and it will show you then the kinds of products that would suit you. And one of the messages that's most important from the website is around just how many different types of products there are that can be used in combination. And many people don't realise that for most people, it's not just about one product, it's about several different types of products for going out for best, for travelling, for being in the home, for use at night. And that these can really make an enormous difference to quality of life for people who have to live with incontinence and still have to manage their lives as best they can.
We've also worked a great deal on the technical side here at the ICS, but maybe you could tell us a little bit about the partners that you've managed to bring together to deliver this project.
Well, yes, because originally all the research work that we'd done around products was published through the International Consultation on Incontinence. And the problem there was that we knew that that information didn't really get out to either patients or to healthcare professionals who were clinically working with people. So we discussed with the International Consultation on Incontinence and then the International Continence Society about bringing the organisations together so we could actually make this website to, if you like, put all the information out there, because many people will be able to access, because the ICS website is so good, Dom, that's why. And therefore it would be the obvious vehicle for it. And obviously through the CPC, which is the sort of the public arm of the ICS, that would give a natural home where we would like to house the website, and then linking with all the different continence organisations across the world. And one of the things that's we've tried to build into the website is that you can find out where you can get products wherever you are. So you can, although the range is international, it covers all the products from all over the place. If you are living in Australia or if you're living in Thailand or somewhere, you will eventually be able to click onto it and find out how you get products within your health service and where you get them from.
Could you tell me a little bit about the people that made up this project?
Well, there's myself from the University of Southampton and Alan Cottenden, who's from UCL, and we both worked for many years in research in incontinence products. And then very key people have been Margaret Macaulay and Sinead Clark-O'Neill, who've focused on providing the content. And then back at Southampton, Deborah Knight has been very helpful with doing the photography, and Jackie Broadbridge particularly over the work related to the male devices. And of course we've had some very expert help on from the technology side, because it's been quite a mission to present this in what I hope is a very user-friendly format. And we've had a lot of feedback on how we've evolved this website in response to users trying to use it and make it most helpful for themselves. But perhaps you'd like to tell us a bit more about the technology side.
Yeah, sure. So Ashley Brooks and myself, Dominic Turner, worked on the sort of programming framework, and some of the key drivers were to make a content management system that would enable your team to really edit the content through a tool and make it easier for you to work on the expert and extract the expert knowledge from the experts without needing programmers to help you on a daily basis, but to really give you the tools to use it yourself. And obviously also we had Roger Blackmore, who is a very talented designer working for us, who's made a great job of making it really accessible and a lovely thing to look at and really engage with the users who'll be using the website.
I think just one final thing is one thing that we've incorporated, where we found has been really popular and we think will be a vital part of this, is that we've got top tips. So users can send in their tips to do with using a different product under different circumstances, perhaps when going out of the house or on an aeroplane or all sorts of manner of things that they found particularly helpful around a product, and then we can post that up there, and then other users can add theirs to it. So we hope that will sort of build up, if you like, a much sort of richer amount of information, which is based on people's experience rather than just based on research and what the other methods of which we find out information.
That's true, and part of the sort of interactive experience was also within the teams working on it, so that the website provided a medium for debate and discussion on the track of each article within the site, and there was a forum so that you could really see who had edited what and how the content had changed over time. So I'd just like to say thank you very much to the ICI for coming today and for taking part in this interview, and we're looking forward to the official launch of the Continence Products Advisor very soon, by the end of the month.
Thank you.